Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove duplicate apps on Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So if you go on your watch to all apps and you notice here that some apps appears twice as contacts and also WhatsApp. That is because on this watch here in the top it's a new feature and here appears the most used apps. So if you want that this thing disappear, you can do it. For that, just swipe down and go here to the bottom and tap on set view. And here we have show featured apps based on usage. Just disable this feature and now go back. And if you go to the top, as you can see, we don't have anymore that apps twice. So now the contacts and also the WhatsApp appears just once. It is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you and see you to the next. Have a nice day.